Good afternoon, my friends. Welcome to Trading BKS. Today is 15 February 2022. Sorry, today a bit late. I have to bring my relative to the hospital for checkup. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Today, KLCI still very, very strong. Amazingly strong. Let's check out the introduction before we jump into the stock. Jump into the stock market. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's see what is going on. Look at KLCI first. KLCI, boom, 1,600, looks like 1,600, coming to 1,600. So yesterday breakthrough 1,005, 1,580. So now looks like he really want to test 1,006. This is a very significant barrier. This is very significant 1,006. You hard to see that it can break through 1,006. Hard to see it can break through 1,006. But anything can happen. Malaysia stock market. Maybe have some TP plans. Start to have some TP planning. Okay, but possible still can go up 1 2 days. Okay, and going through 1,006 unlikely, but anything possible. Okay. So let's check out today's stock market. Wow, what's that? Okay, sentiment 49, gainers 407, losers 431. So losers is still higher than gainers, but market still going up. Today quite big. The volume quite big. 787, 7.87 points up, 0.5% up, 1591. So let's check out today. Consumer didn't move a lot, 0.15. Industry didn't move a lot. Construction not move a lot. Technology down a little bit. Finance didn't move a lot. Property also. Plantation today, the biggest push is plantation. Later we take a quick look. RET also dropped a little bit, 0.39. Energy also spiked a bit, 0.75. Healthcare drop again, 0.63. Telecommunication up 0.69. Transportation up 0.58. So telecommunication and transportation up a bit. Utilities down 0.16. So market not very strong. Only KLCI keep on pushing up. Okay. So let's check out the top gainers. Okay, KLK, all the plantation, SIME, GENP, KAWAN, we take a quick look. Also this one, MGRC, see what happening, keep on going up. Optimax, take a look. Hibiscus, Tommy, and this one, gold price is going up. Maybe we take a look at Tommy and Pokong. Okay, so basically we take a look at all these. Okay, don't forget, okay, want to open CGS-CIMB account over here. Okay, click the form. You can open. Now we're having promotion. So this one I posted this one. My forex video up today. 4 profit trade for last week. Last week and yesterday So if you want to check out, don't forget to check out my forex video. So we doing quite well. Okay, in the forex also. So let's check out the top gainers. KLK SIMEPLT Plantation. Take a quick look. So KLK cannot too late to chase. Almost to all this high already. KLK no choice. SIMEPLT Plantation. SIMEPLT Plantation still can chase. That day I said once the price goes up 4.0 can play. If you're holding one, you continue to hold. If you want to buy in one, once you go through 5.0 can hold. Most likely 1 or 2 more days have to take profit already. Almost to the channel top. 4.6 to 4.9. GENP. GENP also first buy 6.9. Okay, second buy 7.3. Now price is still going up. Looks like 7.8, around 7.8 possible. Possible around this area. Maybe you have to take profit already. Or 7.8. Possible to 8.3, but I think 7.8 more likely lah. Batu Kawan. AB plant. Batu Kawan Batu Kawan, you see this bearish price action already this one this pin bar most likely going to drop already. So I think a few more days, maybe you have to have the exit plan already. Means take profit plan already. Maybe take some first, or maybe take half first. Up to you. MGRC, a few days already. MGRC got some energy. MGRC after peak push down, slowly going up. Possible heading up to this area. This one's still very scary. MGRC. Let me draw again. I think opportunity to run. I still don't think it's a very good opportunity to buy in MGRC. Still very scary. I don't see a refinish scoring already. I don't see it. If it is a big chance, I don't see it. We managed to chase here, but if there is big chance, I don't see it yet. Hibiscus fly again. Okay, so we don't know how far this top can go. Hibiscus, my favorite. This oil stock. Fly again. So really crazy this one. After a big drop here, because the oil price keep on going up, so keep on pushing up. Most probably, if you are holding it, hold 122 to 132, take profit around this area. If you're still holding it, if you sell already, also okay take profit first, also okay. No one know when is the top. Optimax. Optimax trying to rebound. Optimax already top loss already. I think this rebound probably is a opportunity to exit. Opportunity to exit only. I don't think it's a opportunity to buy. Look at Tommy. Tommy a bit too high to buy already. Almost overbought already. This one. Tommy, I think too high to buy. Tommy, remember I talked about here, right? This one. If you are following Tommy, if it breaks above here, okay, you can try Tommy. 0.95. Now already 10.03. I think it's too high to chase. Maybe Pokong still can chase. Look at Pokong. Pokong maybe still can chase. Pokong, if goes through this one, 0.85, maybe still can chase Pokong. It's a little bit I'm not like very optimistic I'm not like very, very optimistic. Maybe still can try some Maybe can try a little bit Go. Maybe can try a little bit, but I'm not very, very optimistic. Okay, so that's it for the morning video. So I'll talk to you again in the evening. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.